Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2021 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 3LT in rapid blue on black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. We've got the target top removed, which is a color match to the vehicle. So here it is in the back, clips in nicely on each side. We've got the motor back here, so it's a V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 490 horsepower, and that's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission with a dual clutch. And as you can see, it's nice and tidy, looks good. And we'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk lid. So it does have soft close, so I simply press and it pulls itself shut. We've got the carbon flash metallic badge package. We've got carbon flash around the rear window. We've got the rear view mirror camera just above the window there. And I'll just step back here so you can see. So back here we do have the carbon flash metallic high wing spoiler, which is a great accent on this car. We've got the nice LED tail lights, and we've got the quad tip performance exhaust on it as well. So we'll just shift around this side here. Here's your rear wheel. So it's got the nice machine face wheels. We've got black painted calipers, painted rotors, and nice Michelin tires on there. Over at the passenger side, we've got nice yellow baseball stitching. We've got the BOSE Performance Series stereo. We've got 2-user programmable memory for the passenger seat, and there's also a programmable exit button. Down below, we've got our electronic door release, our power locks, and then above, we've got our power window switch. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side, so it's in really good shape, as you can see. And here's our power seat. So we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. We also have the upgraded rubber mats here with the Corvette logo on them. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. It's got the nice perforated leather. We've got the yellow seat belt. These are the GT2 seats with the carbon fiber inlay there. And we've got the embossed Corvette logo on the headrest. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. We'll have a look here in the glove box. So we do have the books with this one, so those are there. That's perfect. This is the switch here that just opened the glove box. We've got vents right here in this opening. Above we do have yellow baseball stitching, a very neat design on the dash. And with the 3LT, you do get the Alcantara that runs up and over on the A-pillar there. So that's awesome. So we'll hop out, we'll close this side up. On the mirror there, we do have blind spot monitor indicator. I don't know if you can see that, but just there in the corner, there is an icon that will light up yellow, letting you know there's someone in your blind spot. So we'll just shift to the back of the vehicle, and I'll move along this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks great. And at the front, there's your front wheel. So again, the nice machine face wheels, black calipers, painted rotors, and nice Michelin tires. Shift around the front here. So I've taken the goodies out so you can see what's there. So we've got the front license plate cover. We've got the front license plate mount, new in the box there. We've got the original carpet mounts with yellow baseball stitching, new in the bag there. It comes with the Corvette charger. And then we have the mud flaps that have been removed, but they do come with the car. So here's the front area. It's got a front cargo net. And a nice carpet mat at the bottom. We've got the 12-volt socket there for the charger to plug into, and we've got our washer fluid lid there as well. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the front here, and I'll just step back so you can see from the front. We've got the curb view cameras down on the front here. So there's one just on this side, and there's another one over here. It's got nice LED headlights, LED daytime running lights. Again, that nice carbon flash metallic badge package. As you can see, the front end's in really good shape. In terms of issues, I'll take a close look here and see if there's anything to point out. Looks clean, so nothing I see there. I'll take down along the bottom here and over on this side. So nothing to point out that I see. So that's great. So we'll just shift around the other side here. Here's your other wheel. So again, nice machine face wheels, painted rotors, black painted calipers, and nice Michelin tires. And same thing back here. Awesome. So we'll move on to the driver's side. So on the control panel here, you've got your power mirrors, power folding mirrors. You've got your power windows there as well. That nice BOSE Performance stereo. And again, we've got the 2-user programmable memory package for the driver with the programmable exit button. You've got your power locks, your power door release, and you've got your front and rear trunk releases down there as well. And again, nice yellow baseball stitching. So have a look at the kick plate on the driver's side. So there it is. It's in good shape, as you can see. And here's our power seat, power 4, aft, up, down, recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Awesome. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy, and we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. There it is. So in terms of kilometers, we have 3,062, so nice and low. No warning lights or issues there on the dash. We have the Z button, which I just turned on. If I turn that off, that'll close the exhaust ports, make it a little quieter. We've got our cruise control buttons on this side. We've got favorites or track change down below. Over on this side, you've got volume controls, and then we've got our arrow keys, which work the dash. That gives us control of these items here. So you have trip computer, performance, audio, maintenance, options, and simplify. You have telephone, let me just get the zoom on there. We've got telephone hang up, telephone answer, voice command, and heated steering wheel. Above you got your paddle shifters, plus and minus. We have the nice yellow baseball stitching in the steering wheel with the yellow center line there. And then over here we have our heads up display controls, and down here we've got power tilt and telescopic steering column here. You've got your electronic parking brake, your dimmer switch for the dash, and we've got headlight control, automatic headlights on the stock there, and wiper control over here. Here's your push button start, and then we've got our screen. So we'll go to the main screen. So you got audio, which is AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming. You got telephone controls. We've got nav. So there's your full factory navigation. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We'll go to the next page. We've got cameras. So you got your front cameras there, rear camera there, different view from the front, and you can turn the lines on and off with that button as well. We've got PDR. So here's your performance data recorder. So you can put an SD card in, and there is a camera in the front windscreen that will record your track times and things like that. You've got Amazon Alexa built in as well, Spotify, so lots of goodies there. Down below we've got our shifters, so park, reverse, neutral, drive, manual mode, and back to park. In the front here we've got traction control on and off. We've got front lift, so when we press this button, well, right now the vehicle was already raised, so it says it's lowering. If I press it again, there it is, vehicle raising. So it will raise the front end to assist with going over steep driveways. Quick button for your cameras, and then our mode selector. When we twist the mode selector, it goes sport, track, and if we go back the other way, we got touring, you got my mode and weather, and that's it for the modes, with the exception of the Z mode. So along here you've got your climate control. So this is the driver's temperature here, driver's heated and cooled seat, automatic, sync, so you can sync the two zones together, so you can sync the driver and passenger together, which is cool. And then heated and cooled seat for the passenger. You've got your rear defrost and on-off buttons. Here's our cup holder here. It does come with 2 keys. That's what a key looks like. So it's got remote start, trunk, front and rear releases, and then it's got the Corvette logo on the back of the key. So those are there. And then above we've got our rear view mirror. When we flick it like so, we get the rear view mirror camera, and then above we have our OnStar controls. Behind me here we have Stingray with a speaker, and we've got a wireless charger for your phone. So that's awesome. So we'll just hop out with it running. We'll have a look and listen. Wow, what a machine. Sounds great. So I'll just show you from the front with the headlights on. Oh, I didn't turn them on, so let me put them on for us so we can see. There they are. So So it's got the nice bright LED projector headlights, and I'll just move along this side of the vehicle so you can see the condition. Really nice looking car. I love the high mount wing spoiler. It goes really good with the carbon flash and the RapidBlue. There it is from the back. Nice HUD. I also didn't mention there is reverse parking sensors there on the bumper, which is nice, and there is a reverse camera just above the license plate. Nice sound to it. And there you have it, folks. 2021 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 3LT here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.